Hi guys and girls, a little help and how to on complementary angles. So all a complementary angle is a 90-degree angle. So in all of these you are aiming to make them add up to 90 degrees. For example, this first one here, complementary, that box in the corner there just means it's got to be 90. I've got 10 on this side, so what needs to go on that side to make 90? In other words, what's 90 take away 10? It's 80. So x is 80 degrees. That's it. It's simple. And it doesn't matter which way around it is, so that box in the corner there just showing me that it's got to make 90. So if I've got 10 here, this one's the 80 this time. Because 80 and 10 make 90. You can cut it up into however many bits you like. So this one, again, the box in the corner just shows me that I've got to make it add up to 90. I know I've got 19 and 43. So at the moment they add up to 62. I need 90. So I've got to figure out the difference between the two. So 10 take 2 is 8. 8 take 6 is 2. So that is 28 degrees. And on this one, I've got 10, I've got 20, so 10 and 20 make 30. How much is missing? Well, I need it to add up to 90. I've got 30, so I need 60 more. Okie dokie. This one, a 90 degrees is cut into two equal parts. So I've got two of the same number, or half of it. How much is half of it? Half of it means divide it by 2. Half of 90. You could do a little bit of bus stop if you wanted. You might know it anyway. So 2's into 9 go 4 times, because that will get you to 8. But then you've got 1 left over. And then 2's into 10 is 5. So each one of those is 45 degrees. I'm going to end on two slightly different style questions that they could ask you. So one is identifying angles. So this one here, angle AOB, means join up A to O to B. How big is that angle? It's 20 degrees. COD, if I take that off, means join C to O to D. How big is that angle? It's 5 degrees. Next one, BOC. B, O, C. How big is... Oh, we don't know. Okay, so we've got to work it out. We know they've got to all add up to 90. So I know I've got 20, 15 and 5. So they make 40. So how much more is needed to make a 40 into a 90? It's a 50. So this angle here, the missing one, is 50 degrees. And then the last one on there is AOD. So A joins to O, joins to D. So how big is that angle? Big angle. Well, it's going to be whatever 20 plus 50 plus 5. So 5 and 7, so 75. Hopefully that one's not too bad. The last one is a challenge, I'm not going to lie. It's an algebra one, but it is doable. So we know they've got to add up to 90. So I know that when I do 3x plus 40, add 4x minus 6, I have to get the answer 90. Okay. Right, so we've got to simplify. I've got to collect my x's together. If I've got 3x there and 4x there, I've got 7 X's altogether. So it's like saying I've got 3 xylophones there, 4 xylophones there, so I've got 7 xylophones altogether. I've also got a plus 40 and a minus 6. So I've got 40 minus 6, that's 34. And my answer's got to be 90. So this is saying I've got a number, I times it by 7, then I add 34, and I get the answer 90. So we need to start at the other end and come backwards. So 90, take away 34, then divide it by 9. 7, where did 9 come from? Okay, let's try it. So 90, take away 34. Can't do 0 take 4, so I'm borrowing 1. 10 take 4 is 6, and 8 take 3 is 5. Okay, so 56 comes out of that box. And now we've got to divide it by 7. 56 divided by 7. So 7, oh Lord, that's a dodgy 7. 7, 14, go away. Oh, that'll do for now. 21, 28, what was I getting to? 56, 35, 42, 49, 56. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you might think you're done there, but guess what? You're not. It says find the size of the angles. So we know x is worth 8. So I'm going to put 8 there, so that means do 3 times 8 add 40. So 3 times 8 is 24, add 40 is 64. And again I'm going to put 8 here, so that means do 4 times 8 take away 6. 4 times 8 is 32, take away 6 is 20, so that'll be 4 off of, that'll be 26. Like I say, it's a challenge, but you do know how to solve an equation, you do know how to substitute in, so that should be possible. Anywho, see you soon. Bye.